Hello everyone. This would be the audio demo for Pioneer CT-43. It's a light series of the Pioneer. Probably it's a simple deck from this series. I have much better decks, but this I believe was released for the American market. At least for rest of the world, I haven't seen those to be released. Specifically, what separates it from CT-95. So you may see this nice decor here with this side parts, and this white piece is made from rubber. So it's not the same as made from metal on the more expensive series, like here, CT-91. Plus, it has simplified playback amplifier, which produce a little bit more hiss than high-end decks. But all in all, sound is very Pioneer. It reminds me CT-91 very well. Listen yourself. Let me know your thoughts. All frequencies are there. It records nice, plays nice. So enjoy. Okay, I believe this was really nice. And electronics is very quick, so tape transport operation work really well. So now let's listen Mareza. So it's a different tape, and tape would be 60 minutes. So these two tapes has been recorded on Sony 555 series, and now this tape is a vocal. It's been recorded on Nakamichi 680. very pioneerish sound. Now let's try against Sony 555 ESJ. Let me switch.
That's all I've ever been, but you don't know me. For I never knew the art of making love, though my heart aches with love for you. Afraid and shy, I let my chance go by, the chance you might have loved me.
So you might hear yourself that Sony plays different. Sony decks, they have increased level on the mid-range. You probably may not tell it looking into your measurement tools, but I can hear it. So that's the difference, and it's closer to the original, to the source. Oh, remember we did a video when we were switching this Rec EQ, and in this case Sony has been recording like Nakamichi or like Akai, same other decks, and with normal its sound is more bold, more rich. Okay, now let's do a test for recording. So I'm installing type 1 tape. I will run BLE for this tape. It's super auto BLE, bias level equalization. And you see high EQ, mid EQ, so it's a pretty sophisticated system. Now let's start recording, and I will be switching Dolby different modes on this tape because it will be really good with type 1 tapes on this deck. You hear the hiss, and with Dolby S we don't have a hiss. Alright, let's try it. Now tape. Okay, I believe it was already good recording. Very, very close to original. Now type to tape. I will run BLE. I will select different songs. How about Diana?
I'm feeling mighty lucky. I got a brand new man. Yes, I'm feeling mighty lucky. I got a brand new man. I'm telling you, he loves me like nobody can. Well, I met him on the corner. It was pouring rain. Yes, I met him on the corner.
Source.
It was pouring rain. He said, come on in here, baby, and tell me what's your name. I said, Dios, Dios is my name. I said, Dios, Dios is my name. I don't know how I got here, but I'm mighty glad I came.
Okay, I hope you like it. Let's do something from the Buddha bar.
I'm a black diamond. My color is my beauty. My color is my weapon. I'm a black diamond. I'm a black diamond. My color is my strength. My color is my weapon. I'm a black diamond.
Okay, I believe you hear that it records very, very well. And as all pioneers, it does play really high frequencies. So more clearly, it's system flex, which installed on most of the pioneers of this age. So I haven't seen this on CT-89, but on the later decks, even like my CT-91 has this flex system. You may read about it in the flyers, which are available on the Hi-Fi engine. So now. source. Tape. Okay, now I'm installing this tape into Sony. And moving tape back. So you may hear more high frequencies from the Pioneer. It's not because azimuth difference or whatever. It's flex system. That's how it's work. It takes any tape and on the playback increases the level of high frequencies. This gives like very clear and detailed sound, and that allows to record like up to 27 kilohertz, as we did test on my CT-91, or like 35 kilohertz on CT-95. But at the same time, I hear a little bit unnatural sound on some songs like rock. It's really good. You can hear better the drums, the heads, like guitars. But on some vocals, sometimes it's annoying. So that's like vocals become unnatural. It depends on the records which you will be listening on the Pioneer decks. Unfortunately, the system like is not. You cannot turn it off, so it's not disconnectable. Okay, that would be it. My conclusion is a really good deck, really good sound, a little bit simplified comparing to high-end decks, which gives a little bit more hiss, but all in all, is very, very good and very Pioneer sounding deck. So if you will get one, enjoy. Thank you and bye-bye.